Hi guys, how is it going? Today I will try our first soursop this year, 2022, and it doesn't look very well, but I wanted to cut it up on camera anyways. It looks like the Annona seed borer get a hold of it and deposited some eggs, so that means that some wasp already emerged. And so anyways, let's see how the inside looks like. Let's see if it's all the way destroyed or if it's any edible. I have been looking for a soursop shake for a very long time, but I don't think today is the day for that because the fruit doesn't look very appetizing right now. You can't really see the fruit, but it get holes in it. And let me show you a picture what I'm talking about. Perfect. You can see the hole in that soursop and you can see the insect going in. That's the problem. When they have an opening, now they're gonna go in. Now fungus gonna grow. That's when sugar apple starts to mammify, etc. You can prevent it by bagging the fruit. The Annona seed borer wasp prefers to deposit their eggs in a very young, small fruit because assumably it is easier for them to deposit in a soft seed, in a more immature seed. I am amazed how good this flesh looks. It looks all right to me. I was ready for something that is like completely destroyed inside, and the flesh looks pretty creamy white and good. You can see the seed pod on the lower part. And around there is the space. That's where it was deposited the egg. Oh, here we go. And there is the new Annona seed borer wasp just emerged just now. And this is the little guy that causing a whole lot of damage for the Annonas. Their whole mature life cycle last about 15 to 22 days, and that's when they deposit all their eggs in the Annona seeds. Knowing what can happen, our best bet if you grow Annonas is to bag it up. Because if we bag it up early enough in a young stage when this Annona fruit borer wasp prefers it, then it can be prevented probably because by the time it's already gonna be bigger, harder for the seed borer to deposit the eggs. Now it's gonna be a thicker flesh around and the seed is gonna be more mature, so it's gonna be harder around. The shell is gonna be harder. So that's wishful thinking, but it's definitely worth a try, and let's see if that would work to bag it up early on and possibly prevent it. Other than that, if we have mammified and just affected fruits, we have to destroy those, and so we would stop the life cycle of this not so wonderful bug. From 1 to 10, I had probably, I would say, an 8, number 8 plus experience with this fruit. I was amazed that actually it was this delicious, very sweet, the sweetest soursop I ever had, and very tasty. And it wasn't destroyed after all, so all is well. Thank you guys for watching. Push a like, subscribe for more plant videos. I will see you guys soon. Bye.